Something big is happening in Egypt. The Egyptian Refining Company is the Egyptian private sector's largest in-progress infrastructure mega project.
The main idea of ERC is to get low-value products that are being produced in Cork, Cairo Oil Refinery Company, and producing high-value distillates that the market currently needs. The project will be producing 4.75 million tons of products. This project will cut imports of Egyptian petroleum products by 40%.
ERC is one of Africa's largest ever project finance deals. The landmark investment attracted the support of top Egyptian, Gulf, and international investors, global export credit agencies, and development finance institutions.
The project has been 12 years in the making. In 2008, I almost finalized a debt package from commercial banks. Unfortunately, the global financial crisis had a very bad impact on the banks who were providing the debt, and they had to pull out. So we had to start anew.
The debt package finalized in 2010 included $2.35 billion in senior debt and $225 million of subordinated debt for a total of $2.6 billion.
On the equity side, we started the project with a group of high net worth investors from the Gulf, and we were successful in concluding a number of commitments from local institutions. However, as a result of the Egyptian revolution in 2011, many of those local institutions had to pull out, and we had an equity shortfall of around $450 million. Qala Holding had to step in big time and took a part of the shortage, and we secured $360 million from Gulf investors who were able to step up to the plate.
Qala and its partners reached financial close on ERC in June 2012, on the eve of Egypt's first presidential election. And its contractors GS and Mitsui broke ground in 2014. Since then, ERC has weathered an oil price crash, Egypt's forex crisis, and rampant inflation.
The reason why it survived is the economics were rock solid, and we had a very deep organization both within Qala and within ERC.
ERC applied the concept of responsible investing advocated by the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals.
The project has been a good source of employment in general in Egypt. At peak, we were employing 18,000 people, of which 1,800 from the local communities. There is also a great environmental impact. We take out of the environment 96,000 tons of sulfur every year and 450,000 tons of coke that are being produced and disposed of safely instead of CO2 emissions in the atmosphere.
ERC conducted the most comprehensive environmental social impact assessment ever commissioned in Egypt for an industrial project, the result of which ERC has been focusing on 4 main areas to develop the social community. The project is expected to be in full commercial operation by end of April 2019.
We are very grateful that our backers, our fund debt providers, the equity shareholders have allowed us this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. ERC is a great example of the role of the private sector. Given time, resource, support from the government, the private sector can lead a lot of projects and can be one of the engines of growing this economy into the future.